Hi, my name is Joanne Lockwood and I am the founder and CEO of See Change Happen. And I'm coming to see you at CIPD in Southampton in April. So I'm really looking forward to the session. I'm going to be challenging you on your practices and best policies in regard to trans and transgender individuals. Often trans people are disadvantaged and discriminated against during the recruitment process and often in situ at work. There are many ways that trans people can be disadvantaged in the process. Some of it is down to bias, some of it is down to misunderstanding, some of it is down to anxieties of getting things wrong. So in this session I'll be looking at all of those things and also how to make you as an organisation a better trans ally and what that means. So come along, book in, come and see me. If you want to hook up in advance, that's fine. Look me up on LinkedIn, Joe Lockwood, or catch me on my website, seechangehappen.co.uk. But please book in. I'd love to get engaged with a conversation and have a chat. All right, see you soon. Bye.